Welcome to Forest of the Stars. The retreat chalet sits on its own crystal grid, and when you step inside, you can feel the most lovely, clean, clear, beautiful, and loving energy. Come and join me. Welcome. Step into the light and bright lounge, kitchen and dining area with its own wood burner that heats the whole chalet, and a lovely big squishy sofa and forest views. Ideal place for meditation and contemplation. And there are plenty of trees to sit under, to hug, and to feel inspired. I hope you love it here as much as we have creating this magical space for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.